how to edit the mobile site version of your Squarespace website. So I've just logged into my Squarespace dashboard here. I'm going to click on website for this one. I'll just show you for this tutorial. And once we have the website editor open here, we will just click on edit from the top left, and you should be able to see the desktop version here, which has a little monitor icon. And if we want to make changes to the mobile version of our website, we'll click on the phone here, and as you can see now we can make changes which will take place on the mobile version of the website that we want to edit. So here you can pretty much get access to all of the features that you would normally have on desktop. And basically you can just delete sections here. As you can see, I just press on the delete button. You can also add different sections and use all of the tools, like I said, which you would have normally on the desktop version. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.